Cohen back at you with the 1993 Dodge Stealth ES, working on the rod bearings. Okay, as I was showing you guys in a previous video, number 3 rod bearings was almost gone, and to be exact, which they are completely gone on number 3. As I was saying, number 4, I have not yet got to it with you guys yet on it, because I have not gotten to it. I actually had to take out the spark plug. It's just laying there with the wire on it on bank number 1. But when I go to put the new rod bearings in, I actually have to torque my bearing caps down to 38 foot-pounds, and that is actually the hardest part I had to find about on this vehicle, because no place on Google, nowhere else, no one knew about it besides AutoZone. But I'm going to put the rod bearing up in, and I'll just get back to you guys, let you guys know which ones was bad. But here's just a quick view of the cap that I pulled off of number 3, and it looks pretty scarred, but I don't got the money to be fixing it, and I'm just going to be trading it for a 04 Dodge Ram if it stops knocking. So anyhow, I'll let you guys know. Thank you for viewing.